Welcome to Macmo Academy. In this video, we will learn the very important and very interesting topic, percentage. The word percentage is derived from Latin word per centum, which means out of 100. Or every 100 out of every 100. So whenever we find out percentage, we find out of 100%. So this is the basic concept of percentage. So let's suppose if we are having a pizza and if we want to divide into two partners. So for example, one partner is getting half and the other partner is getting half. So what is the fraction form, which, for example, this shaded part is eaten by Ali and this part is eaten by Izan. So how much Ali is going to eat? So out of 1, out of 2, Ali is having 1 part. So this is called fraction. 1/2 part is going to eaten by Ali. Now what is the percentage? What percentage is going to eat by Ali? So we will multiply by 100. So 2 ones are 2 times 50, so means 50%. As we can see that out of 100, why we are multiplying by 100? Because we are finding out percentage, and in order to find out percentage we multiply by 100 to convert any fraction into percentage. Now we will see the problems, how to find out percentages, how to convert fraction and decimal into percentages and vice versa. Now let's take any other example as well. So we are having a square. Now how many parts are shaded? 1 part is shaded out of 4. Now if we want to find out percentage, we will multiply by 100. Now 4 times 1, 4 times 25 means 25% is shaded. And if I shade this box as well, now how many parts are shaded? 2 boxes are shaded out of 4. Now multiply by 100. Again 4 ones are 4, 25s are 25 times 2 is 50. Now you can see out of 4 boxes, 2 are shaded and 2 are unshaded. It means that 50% is shaded. So but if I equally divide this box, now how many small boxes are we are having? 1 2 3 4. 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 20. 8 plus 8 is 16. So out of 16 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 out of 16. So this is called equivalent fraction. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Again 1/2 is shaded, means 50% is shaded. So this is also one of the way to learn this percentage, how to find out percentage, how many parts are shaded and how many parts are unshaded. Now we are having a problem expressing fraction. We will learn how to convert other forms like fraction form into percentage and decimal as percentage. We will learn the conversion into percentage, that how to convert when a fraction is given, when a mixed fraction is given, and when decimal numbers are given, we need to convert them as a percentage. So the basic and the very important key point which I am writing over here is, whenever we need to go into percentage or whenever we need to convert any other form into percentage form, we will multiply by 100. Multiply by 100. So this is a very key point. Do not forget this key point. If you will keep in your mind this point, so you will not having any problem. Now we will convert this into percentage, so we will multiply this by 100. So 3/5 multiply by 100 in order to convert it into percentage, and as we are writing multiply by 100, we will write percentage sign as well. Now simplify. 5 times 1, 5 times 20. Now 20 and 3 are multiplying with each other, so 20 times 3 is 60%. So 3/5 is actually 60%. Now we will do the same over here. 25, first of all convert them into improper fraction. 25 multiply by 1, 25 ones are 25, now plus 6 in it, so it will gives you 31 upon 25, multiply by 100% because we need to convert it into percentage. 25 times 1, 25 times 4, we will do cancellation. Now multiply this by 4. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, it's 124%. So percentage can be bigger than 100 as well, so do not forget this thing. Now when we need to convert decimal into percentage, the concept will remain same. We will multiply 0.78 by 100. Now as you know that whenever we multiply by 10, 100 and 1000, the decimal will go the number of times forward it is having 0 in it. So it is having 2 zeros, so it will go 2 times forward. So what it would become 78. So right now the decimal is over here. When we will shift it 2 times forward, it will come over here after 78. So instead of writing 78.0, we will write 78 and we will put our percentage sign as well. Now look at this problem. 0.095 multiply by 100%. Now its decimal will go 2 times forward. Always multiply by 100 because we are finding out percentage 1 and 2. So the decimal will come over here between 9 and 5. So it would become 9.5%. So this is how we can convert fraction and decimal form into percentage, by multiplying by 100. In decimal we will just multiply and we will take the decimal forward, and in fraction we will multiply by 100 and will simplify as well. Now we will learn how to convert percentages as fraction and percentages as decimal. Now if this is the problem 158. Now whenever we need to go from percentage into any other form, we divide by 100. So this is the key point of this conversion. From percentage to any other form, divide by 100. Now we will divide by 100 and simplify to convert it into fraction. So 158 divided by 100. Now they both are divisible by 2. So 2 times 50. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 will be carried. 2 times 9. So 79. So 7 and 9 both are not divisible by any common factor. So this is the fraction form. But if you want to convert it into, so this is the fraction form. So this is the fraction form. But if you want to convert this into decimal, so 158 divided by 100. And when we divide any number by 100, its decimal go 2 times backward because it is having 2 0 in it. So right now the decimal is over here. So it will move over here. So 1.58. So its decimal form would be 1.58. So 158% means we will divide this number by 100, and in division the numbers the decimal will go the number of times backward it is having 0 in it. So we are dividing by 100, so its decimal will go 2 times backward. So this is the decimal form. So we will convert it to both form to both questions. Now it is already in decimal. So if we want to convert first into decimal, so divide by 100, so its decimal will go 2 times backward. Furthermore, already it is in decimal, so further it will go 2 times backward, so it would become 0.124. We will not put any percentage sign. Why we are not putting any percentage sign? Because we are going from percentage into any other form. So this was in the percentage and this is the normal form in decimal. So this is the decimal form. Now if we want to convert it into fraction form, now how to convert it into fraction? Again, to remove this percentage sign, first of all we will divide by 100. Now we do not want to give answer in decimal, so this answer is not acceptable, and this will also be not acceptable because this is the decimal form. Now to convert it into fraction, we need to remove this decimal. To remove this decimal, after decimal we are having one digit, so we will multiply by 10 because its decimal will go 1 times forward. But if we are dividing numerator by 10, so we will multiply denominator by 10 as well in order to make balance or in order to make equivalent fraction. So it would become 124 divided by 1000. Now we will simplify them. So 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 2, and 2 times 500. Now we will further simplify them. 2 times 31 is 62, and 2 times 250. So this is the fraction form, 31 upon 250. I hope you have understood this. Now if we want to convert this 4% into decimal form, divide by 100, its decimal will go 2 times backward. In 4 there we cannot see any decimal because it's a whole number, so the decimal is at the back, is at the end, so it will go 2 times backward, so it would become 0.04. So this is the decimal form. And now we will convert it into fraction form. In order to convert in fraction, divide by 100 and simplify. 4 times 1, 4 times 25 means 1 upon 25 is the fraction form. Now let's see the last one, 0.02%. It is already in the decimal, but there is a percentage sign. To remove this percentage sign, we will divide by 100. Its decimal will go further 2 times backward. So what would it become? 0.0002. So this is the decimal form. Now we will convert it into fraction form. Divide by 100. Now to remove this, we are dividing this 100 in order to remove this percentage sign. Now to remove this decimal, we will multiply by 100 the numerator and multiply by 100 with the denominator as well. So this would become 2, but by multiplying by 100 multiplied by 100, it would become 10,000. Now let's simplify. 2 times 1 and 2 times 5,000. So this is the fraction form. So I hope you have understood the percentage concept and the conversion from percentage to fraction and decimal and vice versa. So in the next video we will see the further problems related to percentage. We will solve the real life problems as well. So stay connected and do share the videos in your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.